Today, I'm going to show you how to customize the layout of your form fields in HubSpot, specifically placing fields side by side for a clean, organized look. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to arrange fields like first name and last name on the same line, making your forms more intuitive and visually appealing for your users. Let's jump right in. First, you need to get to the right place within your HubSpot account. Head into Marketing, then Forms. This is your starting point for creating or editing any form you want to tweak. If you're already familiar with HubSpot's menu, you'll find that Forms sits comfortably within the Marketing tab. Take a moment to locate the form you want to work on. Maybe it's your newsletter sign-up, an event registration, or a contact form. If you haven't created a form yet, this is also where you'd start a new one. Now, to begin customizing, hover over your chosen form and click Edit. You'll be taken into a visual editor. That's where all the magic happens. The look and feel here is pretty approachable, almost like playing with virtual building blocks. The editor shows your form fields stacked in a simple column by default. Imagine you have a classic name entry. You want first name and last name right next to each other. This makes the form more compact and user-friendly. To do this, find the second field, in this case maybe last name, and click and hold it with your mouse. You're about to do some virtual rearranging. Once you've got the field grabbed, drag it over to the right of first name. As you move it, keep an eye out for a blue vertical line. That's your visual indicator, letting you know exactly where HubSpot will drop it. It's pretty similar to sliding a puzzle piece into just the right spot. It snaps into place visually, so you know you're doing it right. If you're not seeing the blue line, try nudging the field closer. Sometimes, it takes a moment to appear, especially if there are multiple fields or sections. Release the mouse button when that blue line is in the right spot. The field will snap next to the first one, so both now share the same row. It's a small change, but it makes a big difference in how your form looks and feels. This side-by-side arrangement is great for short fields like names or dates and helps avoid making users scroll too much. If you try this and the fields don't look right, double-check that they're compatible sizes. Sometimes extra-long fields don't fit nicely next to shorter ones. Don't worry if you need to undo. It's easy to drag them back or rearrange as needed. Spacing fields in line like this is all about making forms more efficient and reducing friction for your users. Think of it like arranging ingredients before you cook. Laying things out neatly can make the whole process smoother. Once you've got your fields lined up the way you want, hit Save and preview your form to make sure everything looks just right. Take a moment to visualize how your form will appear to visitors and tweak any placements if you need to. Sometimes a little adjustment goes a long way to making a form feel more seamless. That's all there is to it. Customizing your field layout in HubSpot isn't just about aesthetics. It's about creating a smoother and more engaging experience for your users. If you found this walkthrough helpful, go ahead and hit like, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or run into any tricky spots. I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy HubSpot tutorials and tips to level up your marketing. Thanks for watching.